It doesn't even remotely taste like tuna to me.
It's so easy for tuna to go wrong itself.
Yeah.
Like, this is such a risky game to get into. What's up? It's Kat and Dev. Tuna market girls.
We're doing a taste test today.
Vegan tuna.
Yeah, honestly, I think it was pretty recently that I realized there's actually a lot of different tunas now available.
Yeah, what happened?
And tuna was one of those things that I used to eat a lot as a kid.
Go-to sandwich.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for the longest time, like, there's always been a few different tuna brands. None of them have hit the spot. They've all kind of tasted like catfish.
Ah!
But honestly, I think there's been bigger strides in the tuna game right now.
Okay.
So I picked up every single can of tuna, or thing of tuna.
Package of tuna.
I could find by us in Canada.
Which actually, we have 6.
Yeah, I mean, this is the same, but just 2 different flavors. Yeah, so we have President's Choice tuna, which is new-ish.
Mm-hmm.
So they have like regular tunaless chunks in spring water, which is like your canned tuna. And then they also have a Thai chili flavor, which is so random to me. But I've never had it. I've had the regular one.
And these ones are about $1.79 or $2 a can.
Which feels like a regular can of tuna. You can probably get a regular can a little bit cheaper, but that feels really fair.
Still good.
For a can of tuna. Then we have Gusta, which is also pretty new. I've only been able to find it at Sobeys so far.
Okay.
It's fish-free tuna. It comes in a much bigger thing. It's like 2 cans worth. That's what they say. This is, at Sobeys, it's $6 regular price. I got it for $5 this time. But this is my favorite currently.
Spoilers.
We will see. I haven't tasted all of them.
That's true. Okay, what's this one? Save
Dusty.
That is what it says. Save to see.
I've heard of this brand. I've never tried this brand. It's expensive.
This is 100 grams. And
So
you said
it's the least out of all of them. Like, I think this one also has 100 grams. But it's like a small amount of tuna, and it was $9.
$9.
It's also, I'm sorry, just in a weird package.
Kinda, yeah.
Like, I don't know, I don't want to buy tuna like this. I'd rather, like, even this is a little weird to me. I like buying tuna in a can. It just feels normal.
And then Omni tuna.
Which we've had a lot of success with Omni products.
Omni stuff seems to be pretty
good.
good.
Like they had the Omni Spam.
Yeah.
And we had this fish
fillets.
Both really good. So
again, only 100 grams, but this was
like $4-ish. It's like half the price.
Good. And then what's this one? Vegan tuna.
Just regular tuna in oil.
I don't know what is the brand?
I think Tunah is the brand.
Oh, Tunah.
Yeah, I think. I could be wrong.
Okay.
This one's been around the longest, I think. At least in Canada, of all of these. This is the one I consistently see. I don't know if I've actually ever tried it.
Okay.
But it's been around a while, I think.
150 grams. Do you remember how much?
It's about the same as this. I think it was like $4.
Okay. And then we're also welcoming
some chickpea tuna.
your classic vegan substitute.
Yeah, this is what people have been using for tuna before we had all these tuna substitutes, and still I think is probably the go-to for a lot of people. So we want to try them all side by side.
So we're gonna make them into some sandwiches.
Classic white bread tuna sandwiches.
But actually I want to open and do first impressions.
Yeah, smells, textures.
Yes.
Yeah, all right. I mean, except for the chickpeas, because it's chickpeas.
We're familiar. Okay. Where do we start?
I guess we just open things up.
Okay.
This is the weirdest package.
Oh, wait. It's so smooth.
Are we supposed to have mayo in this?
It looks not chunky enough. I see the chunks, I guess.
It's made with, so...
It's already mixed?
Ingredients. There is mayonnaise in this already, so maybe we don't need to mix this.
But
which honestly is actually even worse for the price because it's 100 grams including...
the mayo!
Mayo.
That's what I'm saying. Like, is this one sandwich?
Yeah, probably. Not even. Like, that's a thin sandwich.
It's so... Wow.
Yeah. So, this is also looks like it's made with jackfruit. So, that's
something.
Yeah, I've never had jackfruit-based tunas.
I'm struggling with the cans.
This is soy protein, so the PC one is soy protein. Ooh. But tuna looks... Ooh, that smells.
You can smell it?
I can smell it from here.
It kind of reminds me of their fish, the crispy fish, though.
That would make sense, yeah.
Interesting.
Ooh.
Not really fishy. I don't know how to describe...
Not the nicest looking tuna. This is the PC regular one.
What's wrong with it?
I don't smell anything.
Well, I smell something.
But not tuna?
I don't know if I'm just smelling the can itself.
Ooh. I also really...
Oh, there's a whole chili in there.
I like that. What's wrong with it? Okay, I smell the like chili and stuff.
Oh yeah, that's all I smell. Got it. Oh.
Ooh, that's
dark.
a lot of oil. Okay, that's what's also interesting is this one's in water, the PC one. This one's in oil. I don't know if this one's, it's in oil, this one, but a lot less oil.
There's a lot.
Ooh. It's my least favorite smelling one right now. Not bad. Just not my favorite smell.
It still reminds me of just the fish fillet.
Yeah, I can't open this. I gotta cut it. The Gusta one has like a slight fishy smell.
Okay.
Like the slightest fishy smell.
I don't know if it's fishy though.
Oh, you don't think it's fishy? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I honestly don't think I could tell you what tuna smells like.
I don't. Yeah, but I feel like tuna has a strong fishy smell, doesn't it?
It probably does, but I haven't had tuna in like a decade.
Yeah,
so
nothing is really giving a strong smell, which might be good.
Probably.
Careful what you wish for.
It's weird that this one comes with mayo. Ooh.
What happened?
I don't like that smell. I don't know what it is.
I think it's the mayo. Okay, see? We were saying nothing has a strong smell.
Okay, so should we get bowls to mix these up in?
Except for this one.
Yeah, we're just gonna squish
You
it
should have
on
just like
spread.
done the little corner and then we could do a little design.
Ew.
Okay, yeah, let's make some.
I assume you don't want to taste any of these plain, because in what world are you eating tuna?
I don't need to know.
Okay, cool.
Interesting.
Which one's that one?
Omni. I don't know.
All right, I think I'm gonna...
Stop tossing that around.
It makes the mayo look weird. Okay, I'm just gonna sit this on top like that.
Yeah!
All right, that's the PC one. It does not look very good.
This is looking pretty good texture-wise.
It is. It looks like tuna to me. This one looks better than the regular tuna.
The texture.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that is a lot of oil. Oh, this one is weirding me out. Look at this.
Ooh, ooh.
Sorry, maybe you shouldn't see that. If I see it.
This one looks a lot better than the regular one.
Oh yeah, that's mixing way better. Wow, it's still so much oil.
Okay.
What is this? Why is it so clumped together?
Which one? Oh, this is the tuna.
Yeah.
The sounds of vegan tuna. Why is it so clumped together? Feels like you're breaking up a can of cat food. Sorry.
No, cat food is softer.
Oh, okay.
Is this gonna be chewy?
What's this one made of? Soybean protein. Soy protein.
Stab, stab, stab. I just want it to be flakier, you know?
Yeah. This one, I know it's my running favorite, but I think it has the best texture so far, look-wise.
Yeah, that looks pretty normal to me.
Looks like tuna, right? Jesus.
normal.
Okay, I can't put it on top of it.
It does look like I mixed mayo with cat food though. Even though the texture is different, it's
Yeah.
giving.
Gotta open up this can.
It's giving.
It's giving what?
Where's the neighborhood cat?
Where's the neighborhood?
Kiki!
Oh my goodness.
What are you talking about? Look how easy this is.
You like that? That is actually so easy to do. Just squeeze and eat.
Do I not know how to count? Oh, I didn't do that one yet.
Do I not know how to count? It's like,
there's extra bread! Wow, it's just a lineup of ham sandwiches.
Tuna time! 7 different tunas. That is a good amount of tuna variety.
I actually didn't realize how many we were gonna get.
Right?
Okay, where do we start though?
Yeah. Now, the biggest question to me is where do you eat the Thai chili one? Because I don't know if it'll impact things afterwards. Like, do we eat this last?
Maybe.
So are we saving PC for last?
It's just the way it has to be.
Okay. All right, you pick a tuna. We'll start from, or should we go with like chickpea first?
Oh.
We're used to it. We know it.
Maybe let's do
It's
that.
like the control
Yeah,
a little bit.
Yeah.
Do we cut this in half or do we just? Share.
Rip it. Cut it.
All right. Chickpea tuna. Thank you, ma'am.
It's like we're at a tea party.
Actually, it's kind of nice. Tastes like chickpea tuna.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
It's never been tuna,
Mm-mm.
but it's always been good.
Mm-hmm.
A little salty, that's on me.
It's quite salty.
But fish is salty.
But I do think it's actually helping it
Yeah.
seem more tuna-y.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
No, good. Delish. Do we just rip it? That is the sign of a good tuna sandwich that you can rip it. I'm afraid won't be able to rip this one.
Look out.
Okay, this is Gusta. This to me tastes like tuna, or at least it fulfills that like tuna craving.
Hmm.
I love this one, but I'm biased.
But is it given tuna?
Oh, what's it giving to you?
Maybe the more I chew it, the texture is firmer than I thought.
Oh
it
yeah,
would
it's
be.
definitely firmer than tuna is, but I still think it's the most tuna-like non-tuna that I've had.
I think the more you chew it, the more it like releases kind of the fishy
Yeah.
flavors. I'm getting it towards the end.
But to me, this has been the closest thing I've ever tried, and I've never tried them all at once, so maybe there is a better one. This one is so concerning. This has been the closest, like, the thing that I've bit into that I'm like, oh, I was craving tuna, and that hit the craving, you know? I hit the spot.
Yeah, I can see it.
Do we do this now?
Or do we skip these two and go over here?
I'm really afraid to try this last.
Okay.
Both of these last.
Okay.
So let's just go for it.
Okay.
All right. This is the Thai chili, which I've never had a Thai chili tuna sandwich before. I don't like it.
It's very wet.
Is it sweet to you?
Well, I think it's supposed to be the sweet Thai chili.
Oh, okay. I don't like it.
I don't want to.
I don't like it.
I can't even tell you the texture. Or anything.
No, it just kind of isn't there. Oh, no.
Not enjoying.
Ugh. I also don't like the sweetness.
Don't buy that.
Yeah, don't. Even though it's the cheapest, it pains me.
I'm scared. It's quite chunky, but like it's soft, right? Hey.
At least that one was soft. Or at least it wasn't even there. It's so wet. Not good.
What's happening?
I don't like it. It doesn't even remotely taste like tuna to me.
It's so easy for tuna to go wrong itself.
Yeah.
That, like, this is such a risky game to get into.
Not my vibe. I remember having this and I remember not hating it, but I do not like it.
I think maybe it needs
It's
a little
so-
more help.
Yeah, it's so wet.
It is really wet. Maybe you need to like pat it down.
Yeah, like really squeeze it out.
Yeah. Maybe that would help.
Maybe. Next one.
Oh,
Tuna. Was this right?
This was our most oily one, and also
Yeah. And like,
it wouldn't come apart.
this is tuna. I don't like the texture.
It has a strong flavor.
Yeah.
What?
Not my vibe. It's not.
Mm.
Okay. It
I'm
doesn't taste bad. It's not tuna. I don't know what it is though.
It might work in some kind of like sushi situation.
Maybe with like a spicy tuna type thing.
Yeah, and you put like rice and nori and
A bunch of other things to
Just-
mask it.
mellow out flavors.
Not my fave. I don't like the texture. It's so stringy. And I don't think tuna is stringy.
If not.
It's not. Oh.
I'm surprised by my mixed feelings on this one.
I will say,
Yeah.
I think this is better than both of these.
Yeah.
This is not the worst, and I thought it would be the worst.
No. Okay, well, wow. I don't know. The more you eat them, the more you're like, why am I doing this?
The more you eat them, you were like, I don't know if all of this tuna should be eaten in one go.
Yeah. Yeah, we got 7 tunas! No!
Alright, Omni tuna is promising. Though.
Power through.
This one to me just tastes like their fish.
Yeah.
It tastes exactly like the fish.
Yeah. Like, you know, like a Gardein
Mm.
fish.
It doesn't taste like
fillet.
tuna, but it tastes like fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't hate it, but I don't want it in place of tuna.
Because it tastes like the thing that already exists.
Yeah.
You just took the bread coating off.
Yeah.
Crispy
It
coating
broke
off.
it up a little bit. Yeah.
I'm a
Alright.
little disappointed in that, Omni.
Yeah. I'm concerned about the most expensive one.
Oh boy.
I don't know, just the fact that it's pre-mayoed is
Look out, it's got
concerning.
chunks though. I know it looks smooth.
I don't know. The smell is really throwing me off.
Yeah, but look, it's got omega-3s. Just eat it. I don't want to know it.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's so bad!
I hate it.
I don't want to finish eating it.
I hate it. I didn't think it could get worse. Oh my, I don't like it.
I want to spit it out.
Ew. It was $9.
Okay, I see
Oh, I hate it.
in the small remaining aftertaste that's still in my mouth.
Yeah.
I see what they were going for. I would say
Do not buy this.
let us season it ourselves.
Yeah.
I think that's what's going wrong
I think
here.
so too. Because I don't think it's... The texture is a little mousse-like. Like, it's too creamy. There's no texture.
Ugh. But it's really strong.
I don't like it.
It's really strong, but not even tuna. It's really strong, like you've already made it into the tuna salad.
Yeah, they just made it wrong.
And I can understand why some people might like it.
Yeah. But you have to really like whatever they did to it.
Yeah, because it's very intense. Unforgiving.
Unforgiving. That is my least favorite, and I hate to say it because it was $9.
No, that's good. Because in this economy,
Yeah.
we cannot be eating that.
Okay, so what was your favorite? Your graveyard of tuna sandwiches. Gross. My favorite, and it's no surprise because it's the one that I keep buying, is the Gusta. I think it's the best one. I think it's the most neutral in flavor in a sense that it still kind of has a fishy-ish flavor.
Uh-huh.
But all you have to really add to it is mayo for it to be still good.
Okay.
I think this is my favorite.
And the rest?
Honestly, I think my second favorite is chickpea tuna.
Honestly, this one still kind of surprises me, but like approach with caution.
Yeah, I think you can make it work. Like you
I think
said.
it has potential.
Yeah.
But it is kind of weird.
Like if it's the only one available to you and you're missing tuna, I think you could probably find a way to make it work.
Yeah.
Especially, but like not. I would steer away from doing it on its own and do like you said, sushi, a sushi bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Like do things where there's a lot of other things with it.
Yes. Start there.
Yeah. Don't buy the PC. Do not buy Save to See.
And Omni.
And Omni, I don't think it's worth it.
No,
I
you
think
could
their
pass
other
on.
products are a lot better.
Yeah.
I don't think this is giving tuna.
It's not. Giving vegan fish.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. In the comments, tell us if you've tried any of these or if you
Yeah.
have a favorite tuna maybe that you have in States or another country that you've tried.
Yes.
Let us all know
Yeah. I'm gonna also apologize to anybody who likes Save to See. Our reaction was
strong.
strong.
But it's a strong flavor.
Yeah. If you like it, by all means, go for it.
I can understand why you would like it.
Proceed with caution.
But it was just a bit too intense for me.
Yeah. I would say if you're not sure if you're gonna like whatever flavors they added to it, just don't buy it because it's $9.
Yeah. Which,
Honestly, chickpea tuna is not bad. I think you can make chickpea tuna work really well. It's not gonna taste like tuna, but it's gonna give you a nice sandwich.
that's true.
But Gusta, I recommend. I think it's the most tuna-like of all of them.
What taste test should we do next?
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
I don't know. I just feel like there's a lot of non-vegan brands coming out with chocolate bars right
Oh
now.
yeah, so like all the like Cadbury stuff and like the
Lindt
Lindt
and the Kit
yeah, we
Kat.
should do that. That's an expensive taste test, but we should do
Well,
it. I
yeah.
mean, this was an expensive taste test
We do this for you.
for you.
So you don't have to.
I will say, the Gusta is really good in like a sushi bowl.
Oh yeah.
We've been having it as a like spicy tuna with furikake in it too.
Oh, yeah, I can see
so
that.
good.
Okay. That's it.
You're welcome.
Tuna done.
Never to be done again.
Don't eat 7 of them at the same time.
Yeah, I really recommend not doing that.